This is Amy Chan with CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check out the links in the description. In this video, we are talking about Wilton's 2D decorator tip. So it's a large size tip, and it's actually called a flower tip. So it might, if you're looking at it, remind you of a star tip, and just the points are curved towards the center instead of being straight. And this allows the frosting to balloon out, and if you give it a little twist, gives you petals and flowers instantly. So if you're still working on your petal tip and flower nail skills and they're not quite there yet, this can be an easy, quick way to practice your piping and control and get beautiful hand-piped flowers. And you can use it a couple of different ways, and we're going to show you how now, right? So typically you just want to touch the surface and squeeze, and you can see if we just hold still and pull up, it leaves us a flower with straight petals and a little void in the center where we can put a little dot for a center. Right? And if, when you're starting, you squeeze and turn, you can see you get the effect of a beautiful hand-piped flower without the time and skill it takes to do it on a flower nail with individual petals. And if we take a second color, a few quick dots in the center in a second color, makes a perfect finish. So it's easy to get two styles of flower out of the same tip. There are other things you can do with it as well. So it's great for making little ruffles, right? So if you keep squeezing, you get a bigger flower with curved petals. And you can use it to make ruffly borders if you just want something big and chunky and an easy way to finish your cake. So it's a versatile tip that's easy to use, especially if you're still working on your piping and your decorating skills, and it's a really great buy. If you like this video and you'd like to check out others about the equipment and materials we use in cake decorating, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you're interested in yearly membership and what it entails, you can find more information on our site, www.cakedecoratingschool.com. And if you're interested in these products, you can check out the links in the description.